First, let's set up the development environment and understand the structure of project. Most RAG applications are implemented using Python. So the first step is creating an isolated virtual environment. This environment ensures that project dependencies remain separate from other Python projects on your machine. So let's start by creating an environment first. Okay. So we need to use this particular command to create a new environment. venv is a command through that you can create an environment. So the environment name which I am taking over here is LLM Ops env. You can take any name, any environment name. So if you can see, a new environment has got created, and for that folder is also here. So any Python module we will install will get installed in this particular folder only. So let's first activate this particular environment. To do that, the command is, we need to go inside this particular folder. There is bin inside this, then activate command. Using this, we can activate this particular environment. Now we will see the folder structure. If you can see over here, this top folder is LLM Ops code. In this, there are different folders. The project is divided into the multiple modules. Okay. If you can see, this config file, the configuration file, which controls the behavior. Another file, if you can see over here, the core module. It contains main orchestration logic. One utility file you will find over here. Yeah. So in this is basically handling document ingestion and pre-processing. And the main file, obviously. It exposes the system as an API. And the evaluator module. Evaluator modules helps you to measure the response quality. And the RAG evaluator module, which helps to measure response quality. So the key idea here is that the project is structured into the clear modules that separates configuration, system logic, ingestion and evaluation.